If you are on a very tight budget and you're looking for an earbud that is not only budget but also has a good audio quality with pretty cool features, then the Oraimo Freepods Neo is the one that you need. Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about the Oraimo Freepods Neo, from the audio quality down to the battery life. So if it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Lord here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Oraimo Freepods Neo earpods. Yeah, so first thing first, let's start off with the unboxing of these earpods. So when you purchase the Oraimo Freepods Neo, it comes with a small box, and inside of the box we have the Oraimo Freepods Neo itself, and also we have the USB Type-C cable with the manual paper guide that can actually guide you through on how to use the earbuds. But well, I'm here to guide you through on how to use the earpods, right? So when you wrap up the Oraimo Freepods Neo, you will notice the texture feel of this earpods. It looks very cool, to be honest. It has this Oraimo branding on the charging case, and when you open up the charging case, you will see this light indicator that shows you green light and also red, which shows that it is not connected to any device at all. Now when you take out the earpod, you also see the Oraimo branding on it, and yeah, the texture finish also. This design looks translucent, and you'll be able to see the details and the components this earbud is made of. I can literally see like the speaker. Underneath the earpods we have the microphone, and we also have the speaker on the head. Now on this side we have the touch sensor. You can't literally see the touch sensor, but and this is where you can control everything on the Oraimo Freepods Neo. Underneath the case we have the USB Type-C ports. Yeah, so I'm going to say this is a premium earpods, but yet affordable, right? Like you can tell from the design. And yeah, we are not even yet close to what this earpod is capable of. So let's talk about the audio quality of this earpod. So when it comes to the audio quality, the Oraimo Freepods Neo earpods is really amazing when it comes to the audio quality. Like I was blown out when I put this stuff in my ear and listening to my favorite music. I wasn't even expecting that kind of audio quality, but to be honest, this is budget, but the audio quality coming out from it is above budget, to be honest. Yeah, so for my usage so far, the audio quality from this earbud is really amazing. And yeah, it got this cool features called spatial audio. When you enable the spatial audio, it gives the audio quality more details. And when you're listening to your favorite music or music that has a lot of melody or bass or instrumental, you're able to listen or get more details in terms of like those little sounds coming out from the music. So I'm going to talk about the spatial audio later in the video if I try to connect this earpod with the Oraimo Sound app. Now the only issue I have here with this earpod might be the design. Although I've talked about the design, but I think some people or some persons might not actually find the design of this earpod comfortable. I mean, my first time wearing this stuff, it wasn't that comfortable till like the next day I tried it on my ear again. But the design is really cool, to be honest, and when you like put this stuff in your ear, it snugly fits and it stays in place. So this is how the Oraimo Freepods Neo audio quality sounds like if it is not in your ear. But I mean, if it is your ear, it will sound more better. So let me know what you're going to rate the audio quality in the comment section. But for me, I'm going to rate it like a 7 over 10. So another thing that actually stood out to me on the Oraimo Freepods Neo is the audio intensity. So when I turn on the game mode on my Oraimo app, it works pretty fine while gaming. To be honest, this is a budget earbud, but the quality of the audio is pretty amazing. I didn't even notice any audio lags at all while I was gaming. Even while making calls, the audio was pretty amazing, and the other person was able to hear my voice very clear through the mic of the Oraimo Freepods. So yeah, with the Bluetooth 5.3, you can seamlessly connect your earbud with the Oraimo app on your mobile phone or Bluetooth, and also enhance your audio quality. Yeah, so for the touch controls, the Oraimo Freepods Neo touch controls are pretty simple. So neither on the left earpod or the right earpod, touch twice to play a music and touch twice to pause a music. Now on the right one, you can touch like for 3 times to play the next music, and on the left one you can touch 3 times to play the previous music. On the right one, you can touch and hold for like few seconds to activate the game mode. While on the left earbud, you can touch and hold for a few seconds to activate the Google Assistant. So when somebody calls on the phone, either on the left or the right earbud, you can touch 2 times to pick the call, and neither on the left or right, you can touch and hold for like few seconds to end the call. And also you can touch 2 times to reject the call. Another interesting thing about the Oraimo Freepods Neo is the battery life. The earpod itself comes with 40 mAh, and while the charging case comes with 600 mAh, which is pretty cool. It can actually last you 7 hours playback time, and while the charging case can give you extra for the 3 hours. So this can literally last you for like around 3 days to 4 days without even charging it. And charging this earbud is pretty easy and fast. It can take up to like 2 hours. So from my usage so far, I would say the Oraimo Freepods Neo is a nice earbuds to get if you are on a very tight budget. The audio quality is really cool. The battery life is amazing. Even the design is something that you can actually, admire. Yeah. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about the Oraimo Freepods Neo. Rate the design or rate the audio quality in the comment section. Just let me know your thoughts. Let's chat in the comment section. And to purchase the Oraimo Freepods Neo, it's going to cost you 90,400 naira, which should be around $15. And yeah, you can use my coupon code to purchase this earpods to get 5% discount. And you can literally use this coupon code to purchase any Oraimo product in the Oraimo official e-store website. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on the channel. My name is Lord and I talk about tech. Peace.